A very good morning, students. Welcome back to the online class. It is English grammar class. Yes, no. We have stopped till page number 46 and I gave you all 4 sentences homework also. And again, it was page number 44, fifth main also passage. I gave you homework. I hope those who are having your textbooks, you have completed. And those who are not having, what you have to do? After collecting your textbooks, you have to complete that homework. Okay. Now we are going to start with the next third main. Next third main. Change these regular actions to continuous actions. Okay. It is page number 47. I have written. If you want, you can copy down that also. It is in the present continuous tense, page number 47. Third main. First one they have already done. He washes his clothes every day. He is washing his clothes now. Okay. Now what they are doing, we have to write. He is washing his clothes now. So now second one, I play football every day. I am playing football every day. I am playing football now. Okay, I am playing football now. Mother cooks nice food every day. Mother is cooking nice food now. Mother is cooking nice food now. Fourth one, the children make a lot of noise. The children are making a lot of noise. The children are making a lot of noise. I have a shower every day. I am having a shower now. Okay. This was the third main. Next, fourth main. Pick the right answer. Here, they have given two options. We'll see it as A or B. Okay. They have given only the boxes to tick the correct answer. So, I'll tell first one or second one. Like A, B. Two options they are given. We'll take it as A, B, A, B, A, B. So, I'll write the answer here. First one, A or B. By saying that you have to tick mark. Okay, see now, in the first one, A option, he is getting dressed. He is getting up. What he is doing? He is wearing his dress. So, he is getting dressed. First option, it is A. In the first box they have given, you have to tick mark. Okay. Second one, you are having, see, they have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Next to next they have given. I'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Understood? You are having breakfast. You are doing your homework. You are doing your homework. The picture, what it is mentioning that you are doing homework. Third one, I am playing video games. I am playing the guitar. I am playing the guitar. B option. Fourth one, the boy is going to school. The boy is coming home from school. From the school, he is coming back. So, it is option B. Fifth one, we are listening to music. We are watching TV. What they are doing? They are listening to music. She is painting a picture. She is drawing a picture. What we have to tell? Painting. Okay. She is painting a picture. Now next, it is, we use the negative form of the present continuous tense to say that something is not happening. It is formed thus: am, is, are, plus not verb ing. We use not, not, not to make that sentence in negative form. With that not, what we are using? Is, are, and am. Okay, am, is, are. These words we are using with that verb plus not we are using. How we'll use that? See, if it is, they have given here. See, if you want to use am plus not, it is ain't. Okay, is is not, isn't, are not, aren't. We'll use like this. Okay, here we have to write the sentences into negative form. How we'll write? Here only I'll write. See, fifth main. First one they have done. The second one we have to. They not walk. They aren't walking. We have to use verb plus ing. Walk is verb. For that we have to use ing, walking. And they aren't. Okay, they are not walking. They aren't. They aren't walking. It is a short form of are not. They are not. For the are not, we can write like this also. Understood? Second one, it not raining. It isn't raining. Fourth one, the girl not wear skirt. The girl isn't wearing the skirt. The girl isn't wearing the skirt. Fifth one, we not feel hungry. We aren't feeling hungry. We aren't feeling hungry. See, all these four sentences we have changed into negative form. Yes. Now next, make questions with am, is, are with the clues given. Here again we have to make the sentence into question form. Okay. Last exercise also, one exercise we done the same thing, right? Here also we have to do like same thing. Copy down fast, and you know those are writing what you should do. Pause the video, copy down and play. Okay. You can pause now. Yeah. Okay, next it is sixth main. First one they have done already. So second one, you look serious. And the answer what we have to write, you think about something. That one we have to change it into question. Are you thinking about something? Are you thinking about something? Third one, he is getting ready. He go out. Is he going out? What we have to write here? Forgot. Question mark. We have to write the question mark. Says no. You look tired. You feel sleepy. Are you feeling sleepy? Fifth one. I can smell something nice. You make a cake. Are you making a cake? Sixth one. Her eyes are red. She crying. Is she crying? Is she crying? You are wearing a raincoat. It raining. Is it raining? Is it raining? You look angry. I disturb you. Am I disturbing you? Am I disturbing you? Okay, like this we are changing the sentences into negative form. Now, look at the picture, write positive or negative answers. Here, we have to write the positive or negative answers. Is father reading the newspaper? See, by this picture we have to write, okay? By seeing this picture, they have asked some questions and we have to write here. Is father reading the newspaper? Father is reading the newspaper. I'll write here. 7th May, first one. Father is reading the newspaper. Father is reading the newspaper. Is the boy coming home from the school? No, boy is going to school. The boy is going to school. The boy is going to school. Is the girl watching TV? No, what she is doing? Girl is having breakfast. No, what we have to write? We have to write in a negative. Boy is not coming home from the school. Okay. See. Sorry, those who have written, you can rub. The boy is not coming from school. The boy is not coming from school. Okay. The girl is watching TV. The girl is not watching TV. The girl is not watching TV. Is mother cooking? Mother is cooking. Is the woman sweeping the floor? Yes, woman is sweeping the floor. Okay. And next is read the passage and answer the following questions. Again, this will be your homework. Why I am giving all this? It is very easy thing. Okay. By seeing the passage, you can write the answers. This page number 50. It is your homework. See, once I'll read. Chetan gets lost in a forest. He is walking on and on. It starts raining, so he takes shelter in an old house. It is dark inside. The roof is leaking. Bats are flying in the house. Chetan is shaking with fear. Suddenly he feels someone is touching his shoulder. He shouts, "Help! Help! Wake up, Chetan!" a voice says. Chetan opens his eyes. His mother's hand is on his shoulder. She is trying to wake him up. "I'm lost," he says. "You're not lost. You're only dreaming," mother says. Okay, it was a bad dream for Chetan. By reading this passage, we have to answer here. What are the questions? Where is Chetan walking? Where he is walking? Chetan is walking in the forest. Why is he shaking with fear? Because house is dark inside. Why does he shout for help? He feels someone is touching his shoulder, so he shouts for help. Who is touching his shoulder? His mother is touching his shoulder. Does Chetan really get lost in the forest? No, he is only dreaming. Okay, this is how you have to complete that. Answer the following. And now I'll rub this board. Next will be present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. See, read the following. Arun is writing a test. Action is in progress. Arun has written the test. Action has just completed. Arun is writing. It is still he is writing. Action is going on. Arun has written. He has completed. Yes, no. Beena is getting ready. Beena has gone out. She already got ready and she went out. They are eating lunch. They are still eating. They have eaten their lunch. Okay, this is how the sentence changes. See, the present perfect tense is used to talk about actions that have just happened or have just been completed. Means your present perfect tense, what it tells, the actions it has just completed. Okay, just over, just completed. Examples, I have done my homework. He has gone out. Here, exercise we'll do. First main. The first main, write the past and past participle forms of the verbs. It is already example given here. For talk, present is talk, past talked, past participle talked again. For write, wrote, return, cut. Some words remain same. Okay, in all the form it remains same, like cut, put, that all remains same. Okay. See, now we'll write first one, the answer I'll write eat, they have given ate, eaten. Second one, go, went, gone. Write, wrote, written. Do, did, done. Drink, drank, drunk. Come, came, come. Sing, sang, sung. Eighth one, see, saw, seen. Ring, rang, rung. Tenth one, fall, fell, fallen. 11th one, draw, drew, drawn. 12th one, wake, woke, woken. 13th one, break, broke, broken. 14th one, take, took, taken. 15, gave, given. 16, began, begun. Speak, spoke, spoken. Spoke, spoken. Grew, grown. Drove, driven. Forgot, forgotten. Chose, chosen. Throw, threw, thrown. Blow, blew, blown. Rose, risen. Fly, flew, flown. Know, knew, known. Stole, stolen. Store, tone. Or, own. 30th one, bite, bit, biten. Okay. These are the 30 words which we changed into past and past participle. Now, next is the pick the right answer. Only the answers I'll write here. You can copy down. Okay. I'll rub this now. Those are writing, you know. What to do? Pause the video and write down fast. It is second main. First one. Take the right answer. She has. She has eaten breakfast. Second one also has. He has lost his pen. Third one has. The train has just arrived. Fourth one have. We have finished the work. Fifth one, the children has gone to school. Sixth one, I have found my keys. Okay. Third main again in that Tara has taken my umbrella. Taken. Second one, we have seen this movie. You have grown very tall. You have grown very tall. They have bought a new house. Preeti has written this poem. Preeti has written this poem. She has spoken to me. Okay. Now next again. Fourth main. Someone dashed the window. Someone. This first one has broken the window. Someone has broken the window. Everyone have come. Everyone have come. Our neighbors have woken up. Our neighbors have woke up. Mother has made fish curry. Has made. They have won the match. They have won the match. Okay. Sixth and seventh are there here. Sixth, he has passed the exam. My friend has given me this watch. Has given. Okay. Now next, complete the paragraph with have, has, the past participle. Christmas is just 2 days away. We have kept everything ready. Keep, kept. Okay. We have kept everything ready. I have cleaned the house. I have cleaned the house. Joy has decorated. Has decorated. Mother has made a nice cake. Make, made. Father has bought. Father has bought gifts for us. We have invited all our friends for a party. Invite, invited. Okay. And here we have to change. The next is we have to change this into negative form by using have not, has not. For that, how will use? Have not. Here last how we used have plus not. Haven't. Like this. has plus not. Hasn't. Like this, by using these words, we'll change the sentences into negative form. Okay? So now, look at the pictures and answer the questions. Has the boy gone to school? First one they have done already. Okay, now from second one we will be doing. Has the bus left? No, the bus hasn't left yet. No, the bus hasn't left yet. Third one. Has the bell rung? No, the bell hasn't rang yet. Have the children woken up? No, they haven't woken up still. Has the man finished the work? No, he hasn't. Finished the work yet. Have they won the match? No, they haven't won the match. Ask these people questions with have or has. Use your own ideas. Okay, using our own ideas, we have to ask the questions by seeing the pictures. See, first one they have already done. Has the bus left? Okay, two persons they are standing in the bus stop and one person is asking to another person, has the bus left? Likewise, we have to do. It is seventh main. Okay. Mother is asking baby what she is asking. Have you done breakfast? Or else you can write, have you done your homework? Have you completed your classwork? Like that, okay? By using your own ideas. But the sentence should be proper. Third one. Has the train arrived? Have you done homework? See, your ma'am is asking, have you done homework? Has the children went to school? Has the children went to school? Do you have shirts? Do you have shirts? Okay. Next is the read the passage and answer the following questions. This is also homework for you. It is 8th main, page number 56. Okay, today you got 2 homeworks in this grammar. I'll read. It is very easy. You have to just tick mark if it is right or wrong. That's it. Right means tick mark, wrong means wrong. Okay. See, the passage. The bell has rung. All the students have entered the classroom. The teacher has also come into the classroom. The students have brought their books. They have put them on the desk. The class has begun. Now we have to see whether it is right or wrong. The bell has rung. Yes. True. We have to put the tick mark, right mark. The students haven't yet entered the classroom. Wrong. The students have already entered the classroom. The teacher has come to the classroom. Right. The books aren't on the desk. Right. The class hasn't begun. Wrong. The class has begun. Okay. This is what your homework, and till here verbs we have completed. Unit 5 we have completed. Okay. Complete all the exercises. Don't keep incomplete. Those who are writing in a rough notebook also, I am telling, copy down the page number, everything you write. Once you get the textbook, you have to complete everything. Okay. Thank you, students.